So as many of you know that's been following the channel for a while, I'm all about quality, and just the presentation alone from when you open the box is pretty good. These boxes are nice and sturdy, and when you open them up, you're going to see 2 light bulbs in each box. So when you go to order these, obviously order 1 box for driver's side and passenger side. You don't need to order 4 for the high beam and low beam on each side. And again, the quality is extremely nice on these just from picking them up. It's nice and heavy, and you can tell that it's going to last. At least it seems like that way just from holding it and taking a peek at it briefly. So I'm really excited to get these in. For those of you that have a machine that is like mine and looking to replace these factory headlights, these are the Q30 series, and it is the Q30 H11, and there also is a SKU on there, and it is GD002075. Let's get to the part that everybody's been waiting for, putting these new headlights in. I do want to show you real quick how to do it. It is a very, very simple process. The easiest thing to do is get on either side of the machine, kind of visually look at the lights, and then you can take a peek underneath and see where the actual light is. Put your hand on the back of the light bulb and go ahead and give it a twist. It's usually better to twist it to the right, and then you can kind of finagle it a little bit and gently get it out, and then it will just come down hanging here. Once you have the light out of the housing, what you're going to want to do is disconnect it on each side. There's going to be kind of a U-shaped clamp on either side of the bulb. Pull those clamps each way. You kind of again have to finesse it, and then gently pull the light bulb from the harness, and then put the new lights in the same way you took them out, and do that on each side, and you got your new lights in.